Alrighty, girl. Say, alrighty, TT. Alrighty, TT. Okay, you ready, girl? I was ready, TT. Alrighty. Alrighty. And she gonna put those cute little flower. Little flower diaper. Alright. Alright, sunshine. Y'all, guess what I finally got me? Because it was long overdue. I got tired of struggling. Not struggling, but them dull clippers I had. I finally got me some brand new clippers, y'all. Yes, because them other ones was dull. Say yes, they was. We got some clippers. We got some clippers. Oh, that wasn't the clippers. That's just these kind of clippers. Okay, maybe it was clippers. Maybe it was. Maybe not. Alright, we gonna make it do what it do, girl. We gonna make it do what it do. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I've been in the nursery all day today. This baby got some big feet. Look at these feet, y'all. Look at these feet. Look how big them feet is. The TT on her grind, trying to shine. Oh, hit the like button one at a time. Yeah, I can fit me a pair of shoes. Yes, I can. Most of the Reborn kids' feet be so small, a lot of them can't fit the baby shoes. Oh, she's got the perfect size foot. Yes, you do. Alright. She's long too. So I was a long one. Yes, I am. Alrighty. Let's get your little tush situated. A little tush. Let's get your little tush situated, girl. Alright, TT, let's get it. Alright, TT, let's get it. Alright, TT, let's get it. Y'all, if you guys are liking this video, give it a thumbs up. Share your TT out, comment. Let me know what you like seeing. And don't forget to subscribe. Alright, so this is the weight. We putting the weight in on the Reborn baby doll. Collectible for adults. Collectibles. We are collectibles. Yes, we are. Reborn baby dolls. Collectibles. Can you do a jiggle out of that, TT? I don't know. Turn you around, see how your front looking. I'm gonna have to turn you around. Alright. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Ooh, I need to cut my nails. I need to cut them down. I don't like working with, I don't have my nails long anyway. Hey, y'all, let me ask y'all something. When I was back in my younger days, I've always wanted long nails, right? And they were hard for me to get them to grow unless I put some you know, go get my nails done and get the fake nails on. Then they would grow, I guess, because I'm not bothered messing with them. But now that I got older, it seems like that's how they want to do is grow. Do y'all go through that? Let me know. Let me know if y'all going through that. Yeah. Because TT going through that. Especially with my toenails. It's like, why you wasn't doing all that when we was younger? Back in the young days. Well, we still young at heart. We still young at heart. Yes, we are. Okay, okay. Get in there. Get in there. There you go. There you go, sunshine. Oh, yeah, something. Oh, okay. I'm like, what am I doing wrong? Why is it not clipping? Why? Why? Alright. This doctor might be, we might need a number 2, girl. We might need a number 2. Let's see. Yeah. I think this is number 3. We gon' see. We sure they. Oh, it's okay. It's okay, girl. Yeah, well, no, TT, not if you're gonna put it on backwards. Look at them feet. Look. Look at them feet, y'all. Look at them feet. Look at them feet. Alright, girl. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Alright. Ain't your feet. Uh-oh. You try to go out. You try to go all over the place, girl. Yes, you is. Alright. Let me get your shirt. I need my shirt. Let me get your shirt. I need my shirt. Let me get my shirt. Okay. Alright. Like I say, she is a giveaway baby. She was sponsored by B Loves Life. B Love. I love me some B Love. She is an amazing woman, you guys. Make sure y'all check her out on YouTube if you don't know her already. Oh. Okay. Alright, hold on. Hold on, sunshine. She's like, what are you doing, TT? Say, I'm putting your shirt on, girl. I'm putting your shirt on. Alright, TT. Okay. Okay, girl. Now we gotta put her head on, y'all. Now we gotta put her head on. You ready? Eyes ready. Okay. Hold on, girl. Wait a minute. See, we got just the camera a little bit, y'all. Ooh. I don't want that. Should've just went up. Right? Right. Because it made it dark in here. Alright, you ready? Just put your head on. Okay. I'll turn you around for a minute. And she was rooted by Slave by Lee and painted by me. So she is the best of both worlds. Because that's what we call it.
What?
Alright, girl. You good? I good, TT. I'm just making sure. Alright. Hey. Hey.
Come on, go on, Nisha one.
No, she's not even here. Okay. Alright, you ready? Let me be quiet. It's my special day. Hey, 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 hey. It's my special day. Oh, 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 oh. It's my special day. Hey, 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 hey. Welcome, little princess. Hey! Alright.
I do, yes.
Alright, my woo-woo-woo babies. My woo-woo-woos. See you later. Oh, see you later. Hey, see you later. Oh, see you later. Hey, I will see you later, later, later on the next video. Oh, TT on her grind, trying to shine. Oh, hit that like button one at a time. Welcome to the woo 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 baby family. Oh, this is the place you wanna be, cause I'm a reborn artist. Family entertainment. Oh, unlimited fun. I'm a reborn artist. Family entertainment. Oh. Unlimited fun. Oh, Reborn babies. Mukbang, yeah. Vlog, maybe. I'm just throwing some stuff in. Break it down. Oh.